Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about a vessel discharging at berth. This time, this is a Panamax vessel, 7 hold vessel, 7 cargo hold vessel, and it's going to discharge about 3,500 metric tons at berth. So we are asking now what will be his mid-drop once we discharge 3,500 metric tons of cargo. So let's start, guys. This is the name of the vessel is MV Brilliant Venus. Is to discharge cargo of uh, discharge cargo of that will be of 3,500 metric tons in this port with water density of 1.015 tons per cubic meter, and drop forward is 13.60 meters and up drop is 13.90 meters. Calculate the cargo midship drop to discharge the cargo intended in this port. So what will be is asking for the mid drop once we discharge of 3,500 metric tons. Okay. So let's start, guys. This is now the program of the vessel Brilliant Venus. So start with form number 6, and the present drop forward is how much is 13.60. So put here 13.60, and the drop up is 13.90. 13.90. Okay, so his main drop will be 13.75. Trim will be 30 centimeters. The LCF, MTC, and TPC. This form number 6 is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. So this is one program, second program, third program, and the fourth program. So we will do this one. Okay, operate these 4 programs. So since your present main drop is 13.75, so you put here, for example, the midship port is 13.75, and mid starboard the same of 13.75. No list, even kill, no list. Okay. Now he says we are to discharge 3,500. So we don't know our mean drop, so we will find our mean drop. So this is 14. Okay, that will be 14. So let's say put here 3,000. Let's not do this first. We don't know what is our final mid drop. This is just you can put this to, since we don't know our mid drop, so we will put this to discharge of 3,500. Okay, so 3,500. So 3,500 divide with your initial TPC from your initial drop. That will be 35.81. Divide this by 100, that will be 36. Okay, your present mid drop is 1375, so your sinkage is 36. Okay, 36, and that will be, so 36, I'm sorry, this will be negative 35 because you are going to discharge, okay? Forget. So negative, meaning discharge of 3,500. So your rise, this is now what you call your rise. This is now your rise, okay? Like this. So your rise is 36 centimeters. So your departure drop should be 13.39. So you put here 13.39. Then take note that the recommended cargo for discharge is 3,508. So let's make this one more accurate. So with this one, make this 5,000, for example. Anyway, so the departure drop should be 13 meters and 39 centimeters, okay? But you have to discharge only 3,500. So this is actual cargo to be discharged for trimming, okay? That is to be discharged for trimming. That is to be discharged, not loaded, okay? Then we go to trim holes 2. We go to trim holes 2, which is trim holes 2, trimming with 2 holes. You discharge of 3,500. This is your initial drop, forward and up. And the main drop in your trim, your MTC, LCF, and TPC. Example, you're going to distribute this to be discharged is 1 and 7. So you discharge in 1, or number 1, and number 7. Okay, put your 7. Then you go, scroll down. For example, you want to make the vessel even keel because you have a trim of 30 centimeters. So you want to make it even keel. So you put 0 here. Then scroll down. How much are you going to discharge in number 1? That will be negative 1,263. So you discharge in number 1, 1,263. 1263. So put this negative 1263. So that is what you're going to discharge in hole number 1, and number 7 to discharge 4,949. Number 9, number 7, it says 2236. This should be 1263. Okay, 1263. That will be 2237. Okay, 2237 because it's round up. And your mean drop would be 13.39 even keel. Okay, because you want to make it even keel, no trim. You say you want a trim of 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. How much you're going to discharge in number 1? That will be 1358. Okay, so negative 1358. Okay, then number 7 will be 2142. 2142. And you have now a trim of 10 centimeters. Forward is 1334, up is 1344, trim is 10 centimeters and your main is 1339. Okay, so you want to make it 10 centimeters, but I want to make it even keel. Put to 0. And number 1, how much you're going to discharge? 1263. So negative 1263. And number 7 will be 2237, negative 2237, and your vessel will be even keel at 13.39, trim will be 0, and 13.39 is your mean. Take note of the value of to be discharged 1 and 7. You go back to form 6, scroll down. Take note that in number 1 you got discharge of 1, 2, 6, 3, and 7 you're going to discharge 2, 2, 3, 7, which is the same here. Okay, then this your trimming hold. So you discharge your weight in number 1, which is the same here, and number 7 the same here. Apply the LCG of number 1. Okay, number 1 and 7. So number 1 LCG is 9524, negative, and 7 is 7883. 7883. Okay, same. 7893. 7893. Okay. Then scroll down. Your departure drop will be even keel of 13.39 meters, 0 trim, and your deflection is 0. This is program number 1, program number 2, and we go program number 3, which is trim table. Okay, so you discharge of 3,500. Take note of the trimming hold 1 and 7, and the value to be discharged. Number 1 is 1263, and 7 is 2237. Okay, so in number 1 you discharge, you apply the correction, forward correction and up correction of old number 1, and number 7 you apply the forward and up correction of old number 7. So in number 1, this is the brilliant, the correction table, hold number 1, and you as much as possible apply this drop to your nearest drop, which is 13.39. So number 1, the correction should be 6.0, 6 meters, and up will be, how much up will be 2.9, negative 2.9. So this correction should be 6 meters, but I already adjusted this one to 4.89. Okay, so I have adjusted this one from 6 meters to 4.89. And number 7, your correction is forward is negative 1.8, forward is 1.8, and up is how much? 4.9. So I already adjusted this one from 6 meters down to 4.89, and 4.9 I adjusted it to 3.93, so that you will get the drop of even keel of 13.39. Okay, let's say put this one to 6 meters as 6 meters. Take note of the forward drop, that's 13.24. So adjust it to 4.89, then you get 39. So in number 9, how much is the trimming? number 7, it should be 4.9. Okay, 4.9. So make this to 4.9. Take note of the updraft. It's 13.7. So adjust this one. So make it 3.910. It's even kill. Okay. That will be program number 3 and program number 4. Okay. What is the initial density at birth? Initial density at birth is 1.015. Okay. Put this 1.015. This is form number 7 on how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. What is initial drop forward? Initial drop forward is 13.6. 13.60. 13.60. That will be 60. Okay. And drop up will be 1390. 1390. Okay. Then until completion, the density will also be 1.015. Okay. And scroll down. How much are going to discharge in hole number 1? Number 1 is negative 1263. Negative 1263. And number 7, how much? Negative 2237. Negative 2237. What is the LCG of hole number 1? Number 1 LCG is 9524. Negative 9524. Negative 9524. And number 7 is 7893. 7893. 7 is 7893. Okay, confirm. Then your departure drop or your drop will be even kill of 13.39 forward. Up drop is 39.39. Up and mean drop is 39.39. And your trim is 0. And your deflection, okay? Put the deflection here. Put the deflection. Copy. Put your deflection. I will put it here. Paste. Okay. So your mid. Put here equals. Go to form 6. Go up. And click this one. And your mid. Click. Your mean can be this one. Okay. Okay, your mid. Oh, sorry. Put this one. So your deflection is 0. You have even kill here. For number 7, frame table, you have zero deflection here. And you should have a deflection here, okay? I'll put this one. cut, make it here, here, okay, paste this one, put it here somewhere, paste, okay, copy, paste. 1, 2. One, two. Paste. And paste. Okay. What's that? Table. Okay. You're made. Put equals. Your main equals. Then you are sub the same. Now, okay. So here, you try to discharge first in number 1. After completed discharge in number 1, you discharge in on number 1, then you will have even kale of 1339, 1339. And your deflection is 0. And this one, you don't know which one to discharge first, but if you discharge this amount, then your drop will be even kill of 13.39 and your deflection is 0. So you have 4 programs. This is form number 6. Okay. Then you have even kill of 1339. Trim 2 holds. Then scroll down. Then your departure is even kill of 1339. And by trim table, then your departure of 13.39 even kill. Same with this one. Okay, even kill 13.39, and the fourth program is for number 7 on how to find drop trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. And you have even kill of 1339. Okay, so it's easy, guys, to use this program. If you want to discharge or load, you just put in the section, you put negative 63, negative for weight for discharge, which is in hole number 2, which is this one. See, in trimming holes it says negative, so you have to discharge this value if it is to be discharged. Positive if you're going to load. Okay, guys, so that's it. If you like this program, please click the like button, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Okay.